Good morning, guys. I just wanted to make a quick video and show you guys how to make a bird feeder. Something's quick and simple. You just need a pine cone, and I already tied the string on just to make the video go a little faster. I was having difficulties uploading and I wanted you guys to see what I've been up to. So I have everything, like I said, the pine cone with the string. Then I also have this plate with birdseed and peanut butter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread the peanut butter, make sure not to get the string all over the pine cone. Make sure to get a nice good layer. Okay. Looks good. Now you're going to dip it and roll. This is pretty fun, simple, easy. And then once it's done, I do push down a little just to make the seeds stick. But there's the finished product. Now you have a bird feeder to hang outside and feed the animals, which is awesome. So hope you guys enjoyed the video and have a wonderful day.